The global response to COVID-19 created real challenges for IT teams the world over. In a matter of weeks, the entire workforce moved home, leaving IT to figure out how to ensure secure, predictable, and reliable connectivity for an unforeseen surge in remote workers. And if you're like most companies, this won't be temporary. Each day, you battle unstable networks and saturated local connections while trying to optimize workforce productivity. Welcome to the new normal. Some of us at home, some in the office, and some all over the world in different locations. The new normal is going to be even more distributed and complex than ever. So how exactly can you optimize application and network performance? And how do you gain visibility into hybrid cloud and on-prem environments in order to ensure performance and security for all your employees no matter where they work? Riverbed can help. Our solutions help accelerate all types of business-critical apps, whether in the data center, SaaS, or infrastructure as a service cloud. Riverbed makes sure employees are just as productive using business-critical apps at home or remotely by streamlining data and reducing traffic on any network by up to 99%. And the most popular enterprise SaaS applications, such as Office 365, are consistent, available, and run 10 times faster for users everywhere. In addition, Riverbed's unified network performance monitoring platform provides visibility into on-premises, hybrid, and multi-cloud environments, giving you comprehensive application and network insights that enable IT teams to ensure network resiliency and security. With Riverbed, you get fast, consistent, reliable performance for on-prem, SaaS, and infrastructure-as-a-service cloud-based applications. Freedom from performance drops caused by unpredictable at-home networks. Greater network performance and forensic insights to ensure availability and reduce risk. Riverbed, empowering the new normal.